Hi, my name is Romano Roth, and today we are going to talk about what exactly is DevSecOps. In my previous video, I showed you what exactly DevOps is. In DevOps, we have the term development and operation, and we bring together development and operation so that we are able to continuously deliver value to our customer. With DevSecOps, we bring security into this continuously delivering value. Why are we doing that? The main target of that is that we are able to continuously check the security of our application so that we shift left the security testing, so that always when we deliver something, the security is already baked in. My question to you is now, is it enough to bring security into play, or do we need to bring more people or more roles into play when it's about continuously delivering value to our customer? Watch my next video to get the answer to that.